Have you ever wondered what it takes to bring a heavily damaged luxury SUV back to life? Today, we're taking a closer look at the complete restoration of a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, one of the most iconic off-road vehicles ever built. At first glance, this vehicle looks far beyond repair. Years of wear, damage, dirt, and mechanical issues have taken their toll. But with the right skills, tools, and patience, even a vehicle in this condition can be transformed into something extraordinary. The restoration process begins with a thorough inspection. Every panel, every component, and every mechanical system is carefully examined to identify damage and determine what needs to be repaired or replaced. Once the assessment is complete, the vehicle is disassembled piece by piece. The front grille, bumpers, lights, engine components, interior parts, and damaged sections are removed to expose the underlying structure. With everything stripped down, the team can clearly see the extent of the damage. Next comes one of the most important stages: deep cleaning. Years of dirt, grease, rust, and contaminants are removed using specialized cleaning equipment. This step not only improves appearance, but also reveals hidden issues that may have been missed during the initial inspection. As the cleaning process continues, the vehicle slowly begins to show its original character. Now it's time to focus on the mechanical components. Damaged parts are repaired or replaced, and critical systems are inspected to ensure everything functions properly. The engine receives special attention. Every component is checked carefully to guarantee reliability and performance. Worn-out parts are removed, cleaned, refurbished, or replaced with new ones. The goal is not just to make the vehicle run again, but to restore it to a condition that feels as close to factory new as possible. Attention then shifts to the bodywork. Scratches, dents, and damaged panels are repaired with precision. Each surface is carefully prepared to achieve a flawless finish. This stage requires incredible patience and craftsmanship. Even the smallest imperfections can affect the final result. Once the body repairs are complete, the vehicle is prepared for reassembly. Every restored component is installed back into place. Piece by piece, the G-Wagon starts coming together again. The transformation is remarkable. What once looked like a neglected and damaged vehicle is slowly returning to its former glory. The front end is rebuilt, trim pieces are installed, and exterior details are carefully aligned. At this stage, precision is everything. Every gap, every bolt, and every component must fit perfectly. As the restoration nears completion, final adjustments are made. The interior is cleaned and refreshed. Mechanical systems are tested. Electrical components are checked. And every detail is inspected to ensure the highest quality standards. Finally, the moment arrives. The fully restored Mercedes-Benz G-Class is revealed. The difference is incredible. From a damaged and worn vehicle to a stunning luxury SUV, the transformation showcases the power of expert craftsmanship and dedication. This restoration is a reminder that with the right skills and effort, even the most challenging projects can achieve amazing results. Thanks for watching this incredible Mercedes G-Wagon restoration journey. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing automotive rebuilds and restorations. See you in the next video.